Okay guys, today I received a new dashcam, the Audew dashcam, so let's test this dashcam in this video. Let's do it. Alright guys, this is the Audew dashcam. This dashcam, it has 1080p video recording, it's auto recording, 3.7 the screen inches, has a wide angle lens, parking mode, so it means when it's on the parking lot it will record if somebody's in the front of the camera, and it also is a night vision. All right, it will record very good at night, and the best thing about this one is under $50. That's the best thing about this one. Okay, so let's open the box. Okay, these are all the things that comes on the box. The suction cup to put it on the window, on the windshield. This one for the cigarette lighter. The power. The cable to connect the camera. Oops. Okay, the camera. I'm gonna put it here so it won't get dirty. And one more thing, you will need to get your own SD card, okay? They are very cheap. I'm gonna put a link for this product, also for SD card. I have one extra on my house that is 4 gigs, but I recommend you getting at least 16 gigabytes SD card. Get a 16 or 32, it will be better, but if you get a 16 gigabytes, that's good. All right, so I'm gonna test it with this SD card, 4 gigs. Okay, so let's play with the camera first. Let's see how it works. Here's the camera. So the top part, you just slide it like this. Okay, got it. Okay, so you just slide it like that, and then let's put it on the window. Okay, I am gonna connect this one here. This is for the cigarette lighter. Okay, and then I'm gonna remove this. So I'm gonna connect the camera before I put it on the windshield, because sometimes it's hard to connect this when it's on the windshield already. So this one goes like that. You can see it there. And then the SD card, you have to put it here. So we have to put it like this. Okay. So the SD card is there. Okay, so now let's put it on the window. So I am gonna put it here, and then I'm gonna move this like that. All right, make sure that it's even. No, like that. One more, like that is even. So now let's connect this thing here. Let's turn the car on. New SD card, please format. Okay, I think we have to format this, but let me get the instructions because I don't know how to do that. Probably it's asking me that because this is a used SD card, but maybe you won't have to do this if you have a new SD card. So let's try to format this thing. Okay, let's see how to format this thing. But the menu, right there, format. And then Okay. Then, okay. Okay. All right. All right. So now it's recording. You can see the screen. Okay, the screen is okay. It's recording 1080p. But the thing we want to know is how this thing records. Okay, so let's test it. Let's drive a little bit at the day, and then let's drive a little bit at night, and let's see the final footage, how it looks, the resolution, and after I do that, I will give my opinion. Okay, it's very easy to put a setting right here. You can put 1080p, 30 frames per second, quality, normal, loop recording every 3 minutes, auto recording, stamp. I think the stamp is like, will be like the date, anti-flicker, I don't know what is that, and exposure. I mean how bright do you want the screen, I think. Okay, so it's very easy to let's put the date. Okay, 2017, no, 2019, 11 01. Oh no, 02 03, I think so. Time, I don't know what time is it. Oh, 4, what is it? 4 4:45. It's okay. Okay. All right. So cool. Now let's test this thing. All right. Testing 1, 2, 3. Is this recording? I don't know if it's recording my voice. So we're gonna test. This is the daylight test for the dash cam. I like the resolution on the camera. It looks pretty good. I like the way it looks at night. You can see everything very clearly. That's good, I like it. Okay guys, that's the camera Audew dashcam. The resolution is very good, okay? And the best thing is the price. $50 for the camera with night vision is great. The link is going to be on the description of the video. I like it a lot, I recommend it. Let me know what you guys think, okay? It has a wide angle lens. It has a loop recording. But remember, you need to get an SD card, okay? The link for different SD cards, they're gonna be on the description of the video. Let me know what you guys think. Put it in the comments, okay? And if you have a question too, put it in the comments too. If you like the video, please like the video, subscribe for more videos like this one, and see you on the next video.